Welcome to new video. Today's topic multiplying and dividing by powers of 10 second part. Okay, this is second part. First part we have completed question 1 and 2. Question 1 and question 2 done. This part we are starting from number 3. Let's get started. First episode we already discussed like 100 equals to 10 square, right? Again 6000 we can write 6 times 1000 equals to 6 times 10 to the power 3. This kinds of thing we already discussed. Today's question, copy and complete the following. Here first question already solved, which is 2 times 10 to the power 5. What does mean? 2 times 10 to the power 5 means 1 and 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And once we multiply with 2, it will become 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what about next one? It means 7 times 10 to the power 5. It's a similar thing. It means 7 times against 10 to the power 5 we can write 1 0 0 then 0 0 0. It means 7 1 0 0 0 0. Number C of 3. 5 times again 10 to the power 5. So same thing, 5 times 1 0 0 then 0 0 0, and finally we can write 5 0 0 0 0 0. Number 3 done. Number 4. This is very interesting and important. Write whether ABC is correct answer for each of these. So look, number A of 4, 8 times 10 to the power 3. So what does mean? 8 times 10 to the power 3 means 1 0 0 0. It means 3 0. And finally 8 000. It means 8000. So let's find out which one is correct. Number B is correct. So this is number B. Please note that this math we are getting from Cambridge Lower Secondary Mathematics Workbook 7. We are in Unit 3, which is place value and rounding, and we are trying to solve exercise 3.1, which is multiplying and dividing by powers of 10. Anyway, now number B. Here is 4 times 10 to the power 6. It means 4 times, now 1 6 0, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, it means 6. Finally we can write 4 and then 6 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's find out which one is correct. So where is 6 0? With 4. So number A is our correct answer. Number A. Where 4 3 0 and 3 0. Number C. Here is 3 times 10 to the power 8. Huge number. So 3 then times against 10 to the power 8 we can write 1 2 3 1 2 3, it's the 6, and then 7 8 80. So this one final answer is 3 and then 80. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's find out which one is the correct. So look, number C here is 3 2 0 3 0 3 0. It means 6 0 8 0. So our correct answer is number C. Okay. So number 3 and 4 successfully complete. Now important part. Rafa uses the method to work out 6. We can write this one. Look. Here Rafa mentioned 6 6 0 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, and then divide 10 to the power 5. So Rafa mentioned 10 to the power 5 has 5 0. So I will cross 5 zeros of the number from 660. So which give me answer 60. So let's try what Rafa has done. So this one we can write, it's a division sign. So we know A divide B, it means A by B. It's a simple thing. So first here is 6 1 2 3 1 2 3, and here is 10 to the power 5. Then 6 1 2 3 1 2 3, and against 10 to the power 5 1 5 0 1 2, then 1 2 3. So this 0, so 5 0 we can accordingly out 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here is remaining only 60, which is 60. By this way we have to complete number 5 all math. Here is 5 math. So we are trying to solve one by one. So 5a, here is 8 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, divide 10 to the power 5. So this one direct we can write like 8 1 2 3 1 2 3, and 10 to the power 5, against 10 to the power 5 direct we can write 1 2 and then 1 2 3. So what's now happen? 1 2 1 2 1 2, 3 0 out, 1 2 1 2, 2 0 also out. So our answer is 80. Okay, now number B. Here is 2, then 6 0 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? Divide 10 to the power 5. So this one we can write 2 1 2 3 1 2 3, and against 10 to the power 5 it will be 1 1 2 1 2 3. So 5 0 we can out one by one, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So our answer is what? 20. Very simple. So what next? Number C. We can write directly like 4 0 0 1 2 3, and divide 10 to the power 4 means 1 1 2 1 2 3, it means 5. So 5 0 will be out, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 4 out, 5 out, its answer only 4. Okay, very simple. Now number D. Number D, here is again 9 0, then 000, divide 10 to the power 4, sorry 10, yes, 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 means 1 and 4 0, 1 2 3 4. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, answer only 9. Okay, now number E. Here is 3, then 1 2 3 1 2 3. How this is, it's a numerator and denominator 10 to the power 6. Against 10 to the power 6 we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we are in number E. So here is 6, all 0 will be out, right? 3 4 5 6, it means only 3 is our answer. And our final question of number 5, which is F. It's a long number, it means 5, then how many 0? 2 3 3, it means 8. 1 0 0 0, then 1 2 3 1 2 3, and finally here is 10 to the power 6, right? So 1 1 2 3 1 2 3. So this 60 will be out, right? This 60 will be out. So our answer 500. Very simple. So number 5 done. And we also try to solve one more math, which is number 6. Number 6. Write whether A, B, C is correct answer. First one, here is 5 and 40. Divide 10 to the power 3. It means from here 30 will be out. Our answer will be 50. How? Look, 5 0 1 2 3. Then divide 10 to the power 3. It means 1 triple 0. So this 0 0, this 0 0 out. Answer will be 50. Very simple. This is number A. Number B, here is 7 7 1 and then 40. Against here is 10 to the power 4. So 1 and 40. So all 0 will be out. Our answer only 71. So let's try in pen and paper. 7 1 then 40. 1 2 3 4 and then 10 to the power 4. It means 1 1 2 3 4. So all 0 will be out. Finally we get 71. Number C, here is 89 then 60 and also here is divide by 10 to the power 6. It means all 0 will be out. Our answer number B, which is 89. Okay, and finally here is 4 7 and with 70. Look, 4 7 and then 70. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and divide 10 to the power 5. It means 1 1 2 3 4 5, right? Then 0 0 0 0 0 0, 3 out, 3 4 5. So what is the answer? Here is 70 50 already out. So answer is 4700. Where is 4700? Number C is our correct answer. So thank you very much. Long time you are with me. This video I am trying to solve question 3 to question 6. All the questions are very important for examination, also our practical life. So don't neglect anything. You should keep practice at home, and I hope you will subscribe my channel, which is SadX, and this video I believe you will get lots of things. So advise me what types of math you are like. No more today. Thank you very much. See you next video. Thank you.